A male suspect has been arrested in relation to the murder of Dr. Linville Bloomfield.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
Investigators probing the murder of Member of Parliament for Eastern Portland, Dr. Linville Bloomfield, apprehended a suspect on Wednesday, February the 13th. Head of the Jamaica Constabulary Force Corporate Communications Unit, Deputy Superintendent Delia Garrick, confirmed that the individual was arrested. She confirmed that the individual was picked up in the parish of Portland sometime after midday. Reports are that he was arrested in the Buff Bay area of the parish shortly before 2 p.m. Police investigators are reportedly reviewing cell phone conversations between the Member of Parliament and the suspect, who is believed to be 21 years old. Information suggests that Dr. Bloomfield met the suspect in early December of 2018. It has also been discovered that the suspect had demanded that Bloomfield rent a car for him and also demanded 40,000 Jamaican dollars. 59-year-old Bloomfield was found with multiple stab wounds by one of his household employees at his home in Pasley Gardens, Portland, about 10:30 a.m. on Saturday, February the 2nd. A post-mortem examination report established that the two-term Member of Parliament was stabbed some 20 times. Senior investigators from the Major Investigation Division (MID) are leading an intense probe into the death of the politician. The late Member of Parliament is to be laid to rest on Saturday, February 23rd, following a Thanksgiving service at the Church of the Open Bible in Port Antonio.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.